So hey everyone, today I am going to discuss the second question of the easy category under this DSA bootcamp. So here the question is guess number higher or lower. The question says that we are playing a guess game. The game is as follows: I pick a number from 1 to n. You have to guess which number I picked. So it's very clear that I have to apply binary search from 1 to n. So let's write 1 2 3 4 in let's take an example. It is given here n equals to 10, right? N equals to 10, and he has picked number 6, right? So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. So here my starting variable will be from 1 and ending will be 10, right? Then they say that every time you guess wrong, I will tell you whether I have picked is the number is higher or lower than your guess. So they have done like they have given a function which is present on their system only, means I don't have to write this function here. They have predefined that function, and I will pass the number which I will like to choose from start to end, like at first from the middle, and I will pass that number from to the guess function, and it will return us -1 1 or 0, and after that we will apply the condition of the binary search. Like if it comes -1, then the picked number will be less than num, means the middle element, and if it is 1, then the picked number will be greater than the middle element, and if it is 0, that is the number that which they have picked. So I will return that number, right? So let's suppose they have given 6 and my mid element is 5, and if I write this guess function, then I will it will return me 5. They have picked 6, right? I have given 5, so 5 is less than 6. So this condition picked element is greater than num, means 6 is greater than 5, so it will return us 1. That means that the picked element is greater than my middle element, so my start will be pointing over here. Start will be pointing to mid plus 1 if my condition gives 1, right? If my condition guess, then the middle element, if I give, then if it comes 1, then my starting pointer will move to mid plus 1. Else if it is less, that means it will give -1, as it is written in the question that it will return -1, their predefined function, if the picked number is less than num, means the number which I will give, if it returns -1, then I will do end pointer to, I will move my end pointer to mid -1. Yeah, then it will be good to go. So let's start. Let's give our start equals to 1 and end is n, and we will start our binary search, right? So at first I have to take the middle element, and I will write start plus in minus start, so I doesn't get the overflow condition of the integer, and then I will put my condition. Then I will at first let's create our answer variable, where I will take my guess function. They have given a predefined guess, GUESS, and here I will give mid as my argument, and it will return answer will be either -1, 1 or 0, right? So I will give my condition that if my answer becomes 0, then I will return my middle element, right? If the answer becomes 0, then the middle element will be equals to their picked element, so I have to return the picked element, right? If the answer becomes -1, then what I have to do? I have to move my end pointer to mid -1. If answer becomes -1, that means the middle element which I have given is greater than the picked element. So if the middle element is, let's suppose here is the middle element and the picked element is 6. If the middle element is greater than 6, I will definitely move my end pointer to here to check our this range 1 to 6. So here it will be like this, and else means answer will be 1. If answer equals to 1, then I will move my start pointer to mid plus 1, right? So it will be okay, and if it doesn't found the number, then it will return -1, right? This is the code, and yeah, it will run fine. Let's run it. Yep, it's accepting and it is also submitted, right? So this is the code. If you have any problem, then comment down below.